Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm back with another tutorial on how to delete Cash App account. If you're ready to delete your Cash App account, since you no longer want to use it anymore, then you can easily do this in the mobile application. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping Open your Cash App application from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account. Before deleting your account for Cash App, make sure to transfer any remaining funds to your bank account. In order to get rid of Cash App completely, you'll need to permanently delete your account. To do so, from the home page of Cash App, go to the profile icon at the top right. From your profile page, tap on the Support option, and now tap on Something Else from the options. Tap on Edit Account Settings from the menu. Under Edit Account Settings menu, you'll be able to see a button that says Close My Cash App Account. Tap it on, and on the next page, confirm your account deletion by tapping on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your Cash App account permanently. That is how you can easily get rid of Cash App account if you no longer want to use it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.